What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with the final video of 2021. And here I've got something very excited. I've been waiting for this for roughly a year or so, and now it's finally here. This is the PlayStation 5. Look at this, guys. We got here Spider-Man, Miles Morales, FIFA 2022. Really good games, and of course we got the PlayStation 5 itself, including a extra black controller. Look at this beauty. And also a little starter kit with some accessories such as a headset and some chargers and some extra buttons or thumb grips. Right. And finally, of course, the PlayStation 5. So, damn. Right, let's put this guy away. All right, and here it is, PlayStation 5. Wow. It is heavy and big, guys. I must admit, it is really large. Let's get a little knife. A little knife. All right. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. First things first, what do we have inside of the box? The power cable. Oh man. Oh, beautiful. Alright. Of course, the manual and things. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what's inside of this little thing. Some documents. Let's put that aside. And here a little, I think the charging cable for the controller. And this HDMI cable. And this, I think, is the horizontal stand that you need. But I won't be using this, I don't think so. So let's put this aside. And now, the main event. Oh crap. Wow. 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 Damn. It's finally here. It is here. Whoa. Damn. All right. That's one. Let's put this aside. And as you can see, this is the disc version, because I like to buy the disc and trade with people as well. Oh, nice. It is a nice design. All right, let's open up the value starter box as well. All right, Where's the opening thingy? Opening thingy is right here. The starter kit as well, and well, that's not looking too pretty actually, but here are the cables, the audio cables and the charging cables, and I think, alright, looks pretty sweet. Alright, this right here is the charging brick. The controller goes inside of this, like so, I guess. Sweet. Cool. It's a very loosey-goosey type of feeling. How does it look? Looks pretty sweet. I like it, I like it. Next up, the black controller. I'm going to put the white controller here as a reference. And does this have the same black color as what we did see on the PS4? Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wow. Wow. I like them both. I like them both. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. No charging cable. I think it has a very nice design. But now let's install everything and game for a little bit. Let's go. Right. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Wat beeld is mooi, man.
Zo. Vol gewoon. Dit ding is downloaden, joh. Wow. Welcome to PlayStation. Oh. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and as you can see, I'm really happy with the PlayStation 5. I'm really enjoying it, and I actually put a lot of effort to get it as well. I needed to drive 2.5 hours to get it all across the world, almost all across the nation here in the Netherlands, and now it's finally here in my possession. I'm really happy with it. Alright, if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and a happy new year. See you in 2022. Bye.